So hello guys, this is the craziest thing I'm gonna to do. I just wanna take this beautiful vase on this door. Can you see? But there is my daughter and wife, so I need to be very careful. Ooh, my hands is shaking like that. Oh man. Oh man, let's go. This is the crazy, let's go. So let's run out, everything is ready over here. So see you later. So hello guys, because I'm so far from my house now, I feel really strong now, and I would like to break this vase, one, other one, and one more is over there. The number one vase will finish straight like that. I will try and we will see how it's working. The second vase I will drop on the floor just like that. Very easy way, but I will do it. The vase number three, I'm not sure now, but let me think about it. Oh, that's amazing, that's amazing. Number two. Yep. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, the thumbs up will be appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Yo. maybe I can fix it for her. Or do you know what? I will make a new vase for her.